UTI Multi-Asset Fund is a dynamically managed multi-asset fund. The fund intends to maintain its net equity exposure between 40 to 80%, debt 10 to 25%, and gold 10 to 11%. The fund uses in-house quant model for its dynamic equity asset allocation. The quant model uses three factors, namely trailing dividend yield of Nifty, trailing price to book multiple of Nifty, and 12-month forward price to earning multiple of Nifty. The fund also uses arbitrage positions so as to maintain minimum gross equity exposure of 65% so that the fund gets qualified as a equity-oriented fund. As on February 26, 2021, the fund's exposure to various asset classes is as follows. Net equity 42.43%, debt 19.65%, gold 10.23%, and arbitrage positions, which is about 27.65%. Based on the Nifty closing of 14,529 as on February 26, 2021, our in-house quant model indicated that the next 12 months return would be may not be favorable if one were to invest at current Nifty levels. Accordingly, the quant model suggested to the funds to keep the net equity position at lower end of the range, that is at 40%. The fund uses a blend of growth and value with a tilt towards growth for its stock selection. The fund would look out for opportunities whereby the companies are able to deliver higher earnings growth in the medium term. The fund has a positive outlook on the sector like banking, IT, pharma, cement, construction, and telecom sector. Now, lower credit cost and higher loan growth may enable the banks to report higher earnings growth. Digital and cloud initiative will help the IT companies to deliver mid-teen revenue growth. Normalization of economic and social activities and the commencement of vaccination process may lead to Indian pharma companies reporting higher growth in the domestic as well as the US market. Cement companies are reporting higher volume growth on the back of economic recovery and higher spend on the infrastructure. The construction companies are poised favorably for higher order inflows on account of higher allocations to the infrastructure as announced by the government in the budget 2021. With only 3 players left in the telecom sector, upward revision in the tariffs may translate into higher cash flow generation for the telecom companies. In the fixed income, the fund looks out for the debt papers having highest rating and a maturity of 1 to 2 years. The fixed income portion in the fund remains unchanged in the last 3 months. The gold prices declined below $1,800 per ounce in the month of February 2021. And therefore, the weightage of gold in the fund dropped below 10%. So accordingly, the fund bought gold in the month of February 2021 so as to raise the gold exposure to 10%. The fund intends to maintain the gold exposure between 10 to 11%. In the last 12 months, the equity market has experienced very high volatility. The UTI Multi-Asset Fund, by following the quant model for its dynamic equity allocation, was able to protect the downside to a large extent and was able to participate in the upside to a large extent. By maintaining the lower equity at a higher valuations and higher equity at a lower valuation, the fund may be able to deliver higher risk-adjusted returns in the medium to long term. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.